Welcome to Get Certified with Joseph. If you want to start an IT career in 2026 but don't know where to begin, this video gives you the exact roadmap from zero experience to your first IT job. So let's get started. IT is one of the best careers to enter right now in 2026. Companies are hiring more support technician, network technician, cloud engineers, and cybersecurity analysts than ever. You don't need a degree. You just need the right certification, the hands-on experience, and the right skills. And today, I'm going to teach you the right path to follow to get there. Step 1, you need to start with a CompTIA A+ certification. A+ gives you the fundamentals of IT, hardware, software, operating system, troubleshooting, and customer support. This certification prepares you for a real entry-level job like desktop support, IT support specialist. If you want to start from zero, A+ is the first step you need to take. Once you understand computers, you need to understand how they communicate. Network Plus teaches you IP addressing, port and protocol, switching, routing, VLANs, Wi-Fi, and network troubleshooting. Skills like this open doors for roles like network technician, junior network administrator, field technician, and this is where you feel like you're a real IT professional. Step 3, you need to level up now with a Security Plus certification. Cybersecurity right now is exploding. Security Plus is the entry-level gold standard for cybersecurity role. You will learn threat attacks, risk management, identity access control, cryptography, and how to secure a network. With security, you can move on from more like SOC analyst, security analyst, cybersecurity technician. This certification can double your earning potential comparing to the two other entry-level support that we talked about. And step 4, you need to choose your specialization now. Now that you know A+, Network Plus, Security Plus, you can go to two powerful directions. The first one is you either go to cloud. You learn AWS or Azure. You get a certification in one of those for cloud support, sysadmin, and cloud engineering role. And the second path is Python for IT automation. Python helps you automate tasks, works on IPS, and analyze log. This is the path for a great automation engineer, cloud engineer, and security analyst. So here's the full roadmap: an A+, then a Network Plus, a Security Plus, and then you choose either cloud or Python. Follow that path, and then you will specially get there. On this channel, IT Certified with Joseph, I'll teach you everything you need to pass the exam, a certification, and build a real IT skills on each one of those certifications. If you are serious about starting on IT in 2026, subscribe and follow this journey, and your journey begins here.